notice on the front of that train there. Yeah, welcome to Fremantle. So this is a Fremantle train station, where this train connects Fremantle City to Perth City. Every 15 minutes. But yeah, it's pretty busy around here today. That is the correct time there, guys. It's 12:05. It's Sunday. Actually is Easter Sunday. So you got all your bus timetables. You got a map. But the thing is, the good thing about this train station here is that it links up with every single bus to all the local suburbs around the Fremantle city area. And this is sort of like a big hub for it. It takes about about 25 minutes on the train from Perth. But yeah, the public transport network here is pretty spot on. There's not one suburb you can get without being able to use public transport. Bit cloudy out today, but it's still nice and warm. Still 25 degrees. On this beautiful autumn Sunday afternoon. But again, in this video, we're going to try and capture a lot of the beautiful architecture that Fremantle has to offer. As you can see there, old original post office, dating back many, many years. So we'll continue to walk up this street. This is Market Street, but it's more known for its cappuccino strip. Yeah, so as we get a little further into the walk, you'll see it gets a lot busier. The road is blocked today because there's an art festival on. Not drawings, just like artists, like music, and so there's plenty of people around, plenty of things to see. So again, just looking at the buildings. Confirming there, you can see Market Street Barbershop. And this road is normally opened, but today it's closed because of this event that's on. So there might be some music overlay from me, just obviously to stop copyright. It's normally a busy area anyway, so an event, this place is going to be packed. I haven't been up here yet, guys, so I don't know really what I'm in for. Like normally that pub wouldn't be sticking out that far. That's obviously artificial grass put down there just to simulate a beer garden coming out here onto the road. So there you go, Fremantle International Street Arts Festival. Got it? Beautiful National Hotel.
I'll say stop again. Alright, here we go. Attempt number 1. Come on. Oh! That was so bright. I know I can do it now. Yes! I did it! I can't believe that! Oh, thank you so much. And that was a good round of applause, but I want everyone to clap. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The best trick I can do with these 3 chairs. And then we finish the show with real danger. Check it out. I am going to swallow. Thank you for laughing. It is a joke. I've got a big mouth, but it's not that big. I'm going to attempt to balance these chairs on my face. If I do that, I want every single person to give me a small round of applause. I'm a good fan.
I think I've seen that guy do that performance a couple of times. He's here in Fremantle all the time. If you do get the opportunity to get up here, do check him out. He's normally hanging around where the Fremantle markets are, which I'll show you where it is now. And again, beer farm here is not normally all the way out on the street here. It's some sort of beer festival. Looks pretty cool, to be honest with you. But again, more copyright music going on there, so I just better keep talking just so I can smother out the sound. This building here is pretty cool looking. Wow. Yeah, I'm trying to hide from all the music. There's music coming from everywhere. Wonder where Louis is? He's in there. Got some real cool, what sounds like Japanese music over here. Oh yeah. Really easy to listen. It's real easy listening, that music. Some people just don't be looking where they're going, do they? And this guy here, I don't know whether he's getting ready now, looks like he's packing up. Or, yeah, these street performing guys, they're really good and they're here every Sunday. Yeah, it's the main stage, looks like here. So here we have the world famous Fremantle markets. Guys, you want to know what the markets look like inside? I do have a couple of videos of the actual market on its own. So yeah, be sure to check them out. Last time I was in there, that market was absolutely jammed. Jammed. Yeah, so look at markets open Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and holiday Mondays. Of all the years I've been out here now, I didn't know that. I actually thought that was opened every day. Well, there you go, guys. There you go. Market Street, aka Cappuccino Strip, here in Fremantle, Perth, Western Australia. And from me to you guys, until next time, Slán Leat.
I need to buy a pair of jeans.